welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a surprise up next. Let's go ahead and open up our gift. Let's go ahead and open it up. Got bubble wraps. Go ahead and open it up. And then it's just like a little Amazon box. And let's go ahead and open it up. Guys, just in one box. Here it is. I'm gonna open it up. This is the Echo. What? Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. This is the Echo Show. Oh my god. This is a Echo Show. How do you open this up? Get the wrapper. Wow, this is a Echo Show. Oh, it also has a little camera up there. Camera for like take Skype things. But how do you open this up then? Okay, guys, you got the little the power cord. I can't even speak right now. But anyways, you got the power cord. You plug. I think you plug this in back of the Echo Show. So we're just gonna just goes like that. And then you have to plug it in. So we're just gonna plug it in. See what happens. It's just like a little Echo Show. Oh, is this the power button? Where is the power button? Oh my god! Guys, it's working. Is it recording? Oh my god, it's working. Wait, it's just showing. Echo! 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 Wow, this is an awesome gift. What? Oh, it's a Echo. Oh. I guess we have to set it up. So, how do you set this Echo Show up? Oh, English.
Hello. Ready for setup.
Wow, okay, we'll just go ahead and turn it up. Okay, we're just gonna set up the internet. Okay, guys, we just got on the internet. We're gonna click on connect. It says connected. Is it? Oh! So I can show you what does it have. It has the up and down button. I guess, it needs to have a phone number and a password. Oh. Okay, so we're just gonna set it up. We'll be right back. Guys, this is the Echo Show. It's working. Oh, wait, is it? What does it mean? Does it need like our time? Just click on continue. Okay, we're just gonna click on continue. Wait, what? What? Why does it need to know our address? Should we click on skip? We're gonna click on skip. Wait, what? Wait, what? Skip? Should we click on continue? It says wait. Oh, so what does it need? Should I click on skip? Just like scroll down. Okay, so it needs like family room, does it? Okay, guys, we just put the custom here. It says Noah's room. So we're just gonna click on 3, 2, 1. Wait. Oh yeah. Better get. Oh wait. Oh. Okay, so we need like wallpaper. Can you change it to my Google Photos thing? I don't know which one. Okay, let's just continue this one because I don't. Okay. So download the mobile. Wait, needs the app. Okay, so we need to download it on my iPad fast. Let's go. Okay. Oh, we can skip it. Okay, we're gonna click on skip. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It doesn't. Okay. Wait. No, thank you. Thank you. Yes!
This device is ready.
Okay, this is loud. Hey, stop it. This is loud. Alexa!
Hi, I'm Alexa. Let's get you started with 5 things to try. You can say stop
What the heck? Oh my god!
I didn't catch that. Say, Alexa, what's the weather?
Our Alexa inside our living room just turned on. Okay.
I didn't catch that. Say, Alexa, what's the weather? Sorry.
What's the weather?
In Peoria, it's 95 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Today, you can look for partly sunny weather with a high of 99 degrees and a low of 66 degrees.
Why isn't that?
By the way, you can also ask, what is the weather this weekend?
Why is it not get? Alexa, open Prime. Alexa, open Prime.
Here's Prime Video.
What? Wait. Okay. Where's SpongeBob? Prime TV shows?
I couldn't find that.
Okay. It's not.
Here's Prime Video.
It's not. Okay. Oh, we can open up the camera, can we? Okay. Alexa, open camera.
I found a few matches for that. Did you mean camera sound?
Open camera.
I have a few skills that can
Why
help.
there's a camera here if it's not opening the camera app?
Make sure you've connected this device with your video provider. Go to the Alexa app to manage your video skills and devices.
This is wasting time. Why is it not opening the camera app if there's a camera there? I don't know why. What can we say? What can we do? Okay, Alexa, go back home.
Please select a default browser.
Which one? Firefox. Let's do Firefox.
Here is YouTube.
It's opening YouTube.com! What should we search? Okay, we're gonna... Noah Toys Review. There I am! 2,000 subscribers, 105 video. Okay, we're just... Oh, Google Nest Hub. Okay, we're gonna click on a video. What can we watch? Here's all of my videos. Let's watch my remix video. Oh, that's loud. That's loud. It says, warning, flashing lights. Thumbs up the video. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What am I doing? That was a loud video. To be honest, it is. Now we're gonna go to the first video of mine, my first video. So we're gonna click on one of my old videos, one of my like very old videos from like a year ago. Like yeah, a year ago. So we're just gonna do the videos you know what you don't want to know I'm like, listen. What was I doing?
1, 2, 2. Mommy.
What was I saying back in those? Mommy.
7.
I love you. Listen. Okay. Dang, what was I doing back in those days? Dang, I'm weird. I'm so. So we're gonna say, Alexa, go back to the home screen. Okay. So how can you like put your Google Photos here? Do you just click on settings and just like wallpaper? Oh wait, wallpaper and clock. No. Where is Google Photos? Dang. No. Where's Google Photos? I thought this was supposed to. Okay. I guess we can't do it, so we're just gonna say. What can we say next? Okay, guys, this is the Echo Show. We're gonna show you what does it have. Okay, guys, this is the Echo Show 8, and here's all the stuff you can do with it. And you have what is this? Is this like the mute button to like mute? I think. To mute your Alexa.
That's to cover the camera lens.
Oh. Wait, whoa! Okay, so it says camera covered, closed. Okay, continue. And it has the thing, so we're just gonna switch that off. Just gonna switch it off right here. You got your up and down button so you can turn them up and down. And then you got your mute button, so you can mute your Alexa. And I think these little holes are supposed to be like, I don't know. So here's behind it, this is the speaker. And on the bottom is the charger thing, I think. And then
3.5 millimeter jack
and
with
then,
a micro USB charging.
And here is your little plugging thing, so you plug it in, so your Echo Show will work. Here it is. Really, looks really good. The speaker right here. I got the black one. And here it is. It is very good. We're going to tell this Echo Show one more question. So we're going to tell her a scary story. So it's going to... Alexa! Tell me a scary story.
Did you hear that? Quiet. I think I hear something. It's like a soft scratching sound. I think it's coming from one of the cupboards. There it is again. I definitely heard it that time. I'm going to check it out. You stay here. Nothing in this one. Or this one. Or, you're out of peanut butter. And I think I see the culprit. Come here, you little gremlin. I told you no eating after midnight. Get back here with that jelly.
Wow, that is so cool, guys. Okay, so what should we ask her? We're gonna, so if you want this Echo Show, I'll put this in the link in the description below. And, Alexa, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Also, Alexa says goodbye too. Shut up. But anyways, Alexa says goodbye too. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget, if you see the subscribe button, click on it right now. Thank you for watching. This Echo Show will be in the link in the description below. Thank Thank you for